All right, I'm back here with part 2 of this video, just showing you guys how to put the battery in there. Just poke it through there, and then be careful, guys. Be careful, guys. You want to put it this way, and then gently tuck that in like so. Once you have that done, you got this piece. This piece goes on top through there. It's really hard to do on camera. Really hard to do on camera like this. I don't know how the other reviewers do it. It's pretty tough. It's pretty tough. But if you're Captain Drone, you can do it because you're extra cool, or the RC Sailors. Anyway. Alicia Mal? Yeah, anyway. Pretty easy to use this thing. All you need to do is just turn it on right there. Once, ooh, and it's very loud. There, it's very loud. That's the one thing I don't like about this. It's got the remote. And unless you turn it on... Oh boy, did I forget the batteries just flew out. I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.